Welcome once again to my guitar tutorial. I want to ask you a question for you. Of all the notes, of all the chords that you have learned, which of them is easiest for you? For me, we can say C or F. Okay, F is a bit difficult, but let me tell you now, of all the major and minor keys, we can say that the easiest of them is the one we are going to learn today, and that is E minor. Is as easy as, because you don't need to stress yourself. Just see what we are going to do today. With this your finger, number one is not doing anything. You are number two and number three are going to hold the same place. You can see as the chord diagram has indicated, you can see. And you don't have to begin to think about, I am not going to play this, because all of them you are going to just put your hand. Play all the chords. See how easy it is. So this is one of the quickest lessons we are going to have, and also one of the easiest ones for you to play. Even if you not learn others well, please make sure you learn this well. You can easily combine it with a lot of things when we play. It's a wonderful chord to play and a very easy one to play. So we're going to stop here today, revise others, and let us meet tomorrow for another one. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon. If you have any problem, put it in the description below. If you have any problem, put it in the comment section below, and I will be glad to help you out. All right, see you next time.